Greyson.
Oh, did you wake up? Did you? Is it time to wake up? You burn off all that coke? Did you?
Sit him up so we can see his face.
I don't think he wants his face seen.
Greyson.
No.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, don't put him up against here.
Careful, big brother.
What are you guys talking trash about?
Huh? No.
Trying to get Greyson to wake up.
What?
Oh, he's so cute.
What's happening?
Grayson's waking up.
Just take a big dump on gold.
No, he's just sitting up against the couch. Next thing you hear is.
Oh, don't make fun.
Grandpa Stevens. Oh.
Huh?
Oh, he's tired.
I don't want to eat burritos. Hey, he's got pants on again. Yeah. You look good. Was that a fart?
Yes.
See? Musical butts. I told you earlier. Everything I say comes true. Musical butt, sparkle fires. Call me Nostradamus.
He's so cute.
That was funny.
Sit him up so he wakes up.
Cole and I heard a kid get chewed out.
The mom even said the F word to him.
It sucks.
Well, he left the window open on the car.
The butt flute. The butt flute. Booski plays it. Cole plays it.
Sit him
I
up.
play the butt baritone.
This is all being recorded, Jaden. Oh, Greyson.
Couldn't have told me that earlier, huh?
He farted again.
He's so gross, Greyson.
He went right on me.
You're so cute. Maybe we'll send this to Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa. What?
Nothing. Say hi, Grandpa. Oh.
Hi, Grandpa. You said it.
Okay. Say bye, Grandpa.
Bye, Grandpa.